Hey everyone, welcome to my video today. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to be making my lunch meal prep for the week. And if you've been around my channel, you know how much I love to make mason jar salads. I make a ton of mason jar salads for my meal preps. So for this week, I'm going to be doing a Cobb salad. And I get a lot of questions in the comments when I make mason jar salads. First, about the mason jars that I use. I use these, I got them on Amazon, so I'll put a link to them in the description box, but they are a 24-ounce mason jar. And this is by the brand Ball. They make great mason jars, and this is the wide mouth version. So it's super easy to just put all my ingredients, and I just layer up my salad in the jar, and it stays fresh all week. So these are the jars I use. I will link them in the description box. And then I use little dressing containers as well to put the dressing on top, and it won't get anything in my salad all soggy. So I just put the dressing in the cup, put the lid on, and then put the lid on the mason jar. So these are my mason jars, and like I said, I'm gonna make a Cobb salad for this week. Super easy and delicious, fresh all week, which is definitely my favorite. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button if you want some meal prep motivation. Tons of it on my channel. I am sharing with you my lunch meal prepping every Saturday. I have other meal preps in between, so make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Like I said, I always get a lot of questions on these mason jars, so I hope I answered those. But if you have any other questions, please leave me a comment and let me know. So I'm gonna get this lunch all made up for the week so that I am super organized and healthy. All right, so I have my diced up chicken, I have my hard-boiled eggs, shredded cheddar cheese, some cooked bacon, cherry tomatoes, I have some chopped up cucumbers, and my lettuce. So you can really use any ingredients you want. These are definitely my favorite. I love a good Cobb salad. I know a lot of Cobb salads have blue cheese, but I am not a blue cheese fan. Definitely a ranch girl, so I am just making this a little bit different, my own version. But like I said, these are so great that you can just customize them. And I love salads. I can have them for lunch and dinner seriously every day of the week. And so just making different versions of these is so fun, and they just stay fresh all week long, which I just love having things ready to go. So I'm just going to kind of chop up my egg into some small pieces, and then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients just nice and layered up. So after the egg, I'll do the tomato, cheese, and cucumber, and then with the lettuce, I just shove it all in. And then I put the salad dressing on top in my plastic salad dressing cup that I'll show you in a second once I have everything in there. But these are so fun to make, and then when you're ready to eat them, you just take the little dressing cup off and pour it onto like a big plate. And it comes out with all of the lettuce on the bottom and all of the toppings on top, and it just is really nice to have just like a really good made salad, and you don't have to get all of these ingredients out every time, which is definitely my favorite part about meal prepping, is that I make a big huge mess in the kitchen and get everything all prepped, and then the rest of the week all I have to really wash are my meal prep containers. I don't have to chop up any foods and wash any bowls and any cooking utensils. All I really have to wash is what I have my meal prep in. So that's definitely, it saves me time during the week. And so like when I do a big meal prep for the week, it is just like massive, and then everything is done. So I think it's just really helpful. And so if you're like me and you don't like to do dishes every single day, definitely meal prepping is awesome. You can just do the dishes once a week basically and get them all out of the way. So there's all of the ingredients, and now we are ready for the lettuce. You can use any kind of lettuce that you want, whatever your preference is. And I have some chopped romaine. I'm just shoving it into the jar, and you can really like pack it in there as much as you want. And then you don't want to leave a teeny tiny bit of room for the little salad dressing cup, but really like you can really mash it down. And once you have the lids, you can push it down even more, which is awesome. So I'm going to use all of this up, and then it will be just an awesome salad for the week. So I have my salad dressing cups, and I got these on Amazon. They come in a big old pack. I'll put a link to them in the description box if you want to try them out. But I'm just going to fill up my little salad dressing cups, and then they just go right on top of the salad so that the lettuce and all the ingredients don't get all mushy and soggy throughout the week. So just keeping the dressing separate, and you don't have to put them in these containers. You can just use the big ranch container and just have that to use, but I like to bring these on the go and don't like to carry. I like to just carry on the least amount of things as possible. So I just grab one mason jar and everything's in there except for my plate and my fork, and then it's all ready to go. So just putting the lids on, then I'll screw the little ring on, and these are all set. I seriously love mason jar salads that are all prepped and ready to go for the week. They are definitely so convenient and so yummy. I hope that you have a really great day. I will see you guys all next time.